In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your bank account to Xero in just 5 minutes. It's a breeze once you know the steps, and I'm here to guide you through the process. First, you'll need to log into your Xero account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Xero login page. Once you're there, click on Login. At this point, you should see a form asking for your email and password. Go ahead and enter your credentials, ensuring they're correct to avoid any login issues. After entering your login details, click on the Login button to access your Xero dashboard. Now that you're in, you'll see the main dashboard. From this position, you'll have access to various features within Xero, but today we're focusing on connecting your bank account. Look for the Accounting tab, click on it and a drop-down menu should appear. Within this menu, you'll want to choose Bank Accounts. This will take you to a page where you can manage all your bank connections. Next, you'll see an option to Add Bank Account. Click on this and a new window will pop up, prompting you to search for your bank. If you see it listed in the drop-down menu, you can select it there. Alternatively, you might need to type your bank's name into the search field. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct bank to avoid any mismatches later. Once you've located your bank, you'll be prompted to continue the process by clicking Continue. Now, this next step will likely involve logging into your bank's portal. Keep your bank login information handy as you'll need it to proceed. Click on Continue and log into bank and follow the instructions provided by your bank's secure interface. This step confirms you're the account holder and authorizes the connection to Xero. Finally, follow any additional prompts to complete the setup. This might include verifying your identity via security questions or authentication codes, depending on your bank's requirements. Don't worry if it feels a bit redundant. These security measures are in place to protect your account. And that's it. You've successfully connected your bank account to Xero. Now, you'll have an automated feed of your transactions, making it easier to manage your finances and stay on top of your accounting tasks. If you encounter any issues, make sure to double check your bank login credentials or refer to Xero's help documentation for further support. Keep exploring Xero features to maximize its efficiency in managing your financial records. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful in making your bookkeeping a little bit easier.